Magandang umaga mga boss. JM Cruz of imbamanila.com, Imba Manila Podcast, and the Imba Manila communities. We'd like to thank everyone who joined us on our last event, last biking run, last October 26 from Caintato, Batangas. And for those of you who joined us, we'd like to thank you very much for those winners. Congratulations po. Sana sumali ulit kayo sa susunod namin ng mga events. But we're not done yet. We'll be giving away one Philips ear gear headphones courtesy of our sponsors to one lucky boss na makakasagot ng tanong natin. And the question is, how many kilometers did it take for us to reach Batangas province? If you know the answers, email your entries at imbamanila@gmail.com. Like us on Facebook and share the video. So 3 steps lang yung kailangan nyo gawin. Pwede na kayo manalo ng Philips ear gear headphones. Again, this is Imba Manila. JM Cruz here, signing off.
Ano yan?
Pamigay natin yung ano.
Hindi mo ba tapos pamigay yan? Pamigay mo na yan. Ang daming headset dito. Nakakalat lang.
Sama mo na.
Japsi, peace.
Sama mo na to.
Oh.
Joms, peace out.